Hello everyone. Middle part the hairs, part the one side into 4 sections, same with the other side. Braid the tails, spin it around into a bun, add a hair tie. Middle part the hairs, part 6 requires section as shown, tie them using elastic, tie side 3 tails together as shown, flip it up, tie all the side hairs. Middle part the hairs, part the front hair into 4 sections, braid the tail, tie it with hair elastic, flip it up, braid all the side hairs, tie them. Part the hairs into 4 sections, tie them using elastic, use topsy tail to flip the hairs, divide the tail into 2, braid them, tie the hairs in a heart shape. Part the hairs as shown, tie them, flip the tail using topsy tail, add hair tie, now braid the hairs and tie them. Part the hairs, make braids of the back section, tie the front section as shown, apply hair cream, now fold the tail as shown to make a hair bow. After this, add a hair clip. Tie the hair as shown, flip it using topsy tail, divide the tail into 2 parts, add hair ties, tie the tail with the side and back hairs. Tie the hairs, divide the tail into parts, braid them, make French braid with side hairs. Now tie them and add hair clips. Thank you.